Dear friends, welcome to Nifty Indicators. It's easy to make money. Today, Nifty has snapped its 5-day losing streak and has closed flattish but still in green. That makes this time to be cautiously optimistic. Now, the way the market is moving, most of us think that this is pure madness. Yes, right. This is pure madness. But mind you, madness with the method. For example, have a look at this chart. Nifty's movements in the month of March for the past 13 years. Since 2010, Nifty has closed the financial year, that is from March to March, that is 31st March to 31st March. Out of the 13 years, 10 years it has closed in green. And 3 years when it has closed in red, it has closed in red only in 3 leap years. That is 2012, 2016 and 2020, it has closed in red. Otherwise, non-leap years, it has closed in green. Now, if we are going to take this historical evidence as possibly repeating, that means we are in 2023, this is not a leap year and market might close in green. And last year, 2022, March 31st, had closed at 17,464, and this year, if it needs to close in green, it should close above that. That means market needs to move up from here in the next 15 days. No, oh, you can call it my idiosyncrasy. You can call it that it's a useless but then I have followed historical evidence as one of the indicators, and that has to be in good stead. Whether you would like to follow it or not is left to you. I am telling you, mostly these historical evidences, especially when over a period of 10, 15, 20 years, if these things are repeating, these things better be followed. There must be some method in this madness. Having said that, Nifty has closed in green. Nifty has closed making NR4. We want some reason to be optimistic, so we would like to wait and see whether it is just one off and tomorrow it is going to start again, once again in red, or this is the beginning of green shoots and market will start moving up once again. I think we need to wait and see, but then my belief is it has started moving up, and hopefully we will see some upward movement from here, culminating in 17,450 plus by 31st of March. But having said that, no reason for us not to follow the important charts. So important charts, remember this is the important indicators of Nifty 50 index for past 1 month. I have been showing this thing every day. Market, almost everything, all the indicators, all the important indicators at least, are in red, and we need to be cautious. This is the Bank Nifty's important indicators for past 1 month, and make a note of these things. And these are the levels. This is the first page of pivot point support and resistance levels of all Nifty 50 stocks for tomorrow. Yesterday, one of my friends asked me what is the red row that we are seeing? Red rows, those 4 or 5 red rows that we have got in these 50 shares are shares close to 52-week low. So in this first page, Adani Enterprises to Coal India, there is nothing much in close to 52-week low. But next page is DB slab to IndusInd Bank. In this, HDFC life insurance is close to 52-week low. Then comes Infosys to Reliance. In this page, Reliance is at 52-week low. Today is the third day Reliance is making 52-week low. Normally, under normal circumstances, at least Reliance doesn't keep making more and more 52-week lows. But then today is the third day Reliance has made 52-week low. We need to be careful because it seems that Reliance, in spite of being Reliance, in spite of being heavyweight in Nifty, has been making new 52-week lows, and we need to be extra cautious. We need to be extra cautious. Take care. Next page is, of course, SBI Life Insurance to Wipro, and of course Nifty and Bank Nifty, both levels are mentioned here. So make note of these things. Whichever shares you are following, whichever shares you want to follow. Of course, I have been telling my friends and telling you too now that good shares like, for example, SBI, Reliance, Cipla, etc. These shares, when they give us good chance to buy, we need to slowly start nibbling at it. So this is the time to nibbling at it. Means I don't mean that you buy 70%, 80% of your money in one this thing. No, just buy 1 or 2 shares every 10, 20 rupees when it goes down. Buy 1 or 2 shares. At the end of it, if you have got 20 shares of Reliance, 20 shares of Cipla, and 20 shares of SBI, you have got what, something like 70,000 rupees worth shares. And if it goes up by 15 to 20% over next 6 months, you are making 10,000 rupees on that. That is not bad. So make note of this thing. Take care. As usual, before my going, don't forget to subscribe, share, and like our videos. Take care. Goodbye.